Now, if you guys watched the video on how to remove and replace the door panel, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the speaker. And then we'll replace the speaker in another car at another time. But there's 4 screws. Speaker screws, door panel screws, they're all the same on the Subaru. There's a little notch up here that holds the speaker, so you gotta work it from the bottom. Slide it downwards. This little notch right here. If you break it, it's okay, but better not to break it. And then you just unplug it, push this pin, and pull out. That's how you remove and replace a door speaker. It's a nice Harman Kardon speaker. So I'm gonna bundle this whole speaker setup and sell it as a set. So watch the video, subscribe to us, turn notifications on. What is that? And stay tuned for more great videos. But this is how you remove and replace the speaker in the front door.